I'm Rob Shirley, and I'm the one that started MasterCraft. I started MasterCraft because I had a passion for water skiing. I wanted to build the best boat on the market. My grandfather gave me a piece of property back at home in Tennessee. And so I moved in 1968 to Maryville, Tennessee, and started building boats one at a time in a garage there. That first couple of years, we built one boat at a time. It would usually take 2 or 3 weeks to build a boat. There was only me and one other person. And then we'd take that boat and hook it up behind a car and drive across the country and try to sell it. Sometimes I can remember driving all the way to California before I sold the boat. But after about 10 years, it finally took off because we were able to use the boat in all the major water ski tournaments. Water skiers were able to set records behind the boat. The business grew from there. It got to the point where we were building 5 boats a day. Our first real good year was probably 1978, where I remember going to the Nationals that year, and I took 100 orders for new boats at that tournament. Yeah, this is the very first MasterCraft made, very first. This boat was handcrafted. It was built with no machinery other than a couple of drills and grinders by hand. And still to this day, boats are built with a handcrafted design. Okay, handcrafted means built by hand. It's not a machine. It's not mass-produced by a computer. Hand-built by employees that care about what they're doing. That's what handcrafted means. I'm Rob Shirley, and this is MasterCraft HandCrafted.